This is Candace here. I am making my celery juice. So, I am making my celery juice. This is the regular. This is the non-organic. The organic, I showed you how it comes. I showed you yesterday. It's like half of this. And it tastes really watery. It tastes really, it's not as strong. I should say that. So I'm just making these because these were the last two I had in the fridge, and I just want to use them. Chucky has been rolling with me for a while. So, here we go. Cheers. Yeah, it's a different taste. It's a different taste. So, I had someone ask me, do I see a difference? And yes, I do see a difference. I have more energy. I have more energy, and I look forward to drinking it every single day. I don't know if that's a healing thing, but my skin is clearer without makeup. My sister was like, ooh, girl, your skin. I was like, what? I thought I had something on my face. She was like, no, it just looks really clear. I love celery juice now. I mean, I've been drinking it every morning for like 2 months. Wait, May. All of May, all of June. It's gonna be 3 months in July, I guess. Who's counting though? Are y'all counting? Because I'm not counting. I can't wait for my 16-ounce cup from Amazon to come. It's like a to-go cup, so I'll be able to drink my celery juice on the go. Yeah, just y'all try celery juice, and from my experience, the organic celery juice is not it's more mild. I should say that? Yes, it's more mild. Okay, me and Chucky are signing out. Bye.